Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I appreciate each and everybody that comes and talks with me and hangs out. I love you guys so much. And we're continuing to grow, but slowly, but we're still growing. First off, I would love to announce my giveaway winner. I was waiting to announce it for when I recorded this video so that I could announce it on a video and also get in touch with her, you know, through email, which I'm going to see if I can cover her email up so you guys don't see it, which I think I did pretty good. And there is our winner. So Danielle Smith is the winner of the Allure remake beauty box that I did. So congratulations, Danielle, and go ahead and I will email you. And if you would please just email me back your address so I can get your, so I can get your package out as soon as possible. So excited for that. I love doing giveaways, you guys. So awesome. And it's because of you guys. I love it. You have no idea. Maybe you do, but it feels so good to actually give something to somebody that, you know, would absolutely get 100% use out of it. And, you know, I love it, you guys. Anyway, the reason we are here today, so excited. This video is like awesome for me because I got to announce my giveaway winner and I'm getting my very first Boxy Premium. So excited about this box. I was so bummed out that I didn't get the first and second one because I signed up like immediately. I don't know why. I was stuck on the waiting list for 2 months, and they had the Natasha Denona palette, and last month they had that Glow Recipe stuff. I was so upset. I wanted it so bad. So this is an extension to the regular BoxyCharm box, and this one is called the Premium, and it is $35 a month. It is on a wait list. It stinks, and I hated it. But the sooner you get on, the sooner you get off, so they say. But you guys, we're 2 minutes in, and the anticipation is building, so I am going to go ahead and get into this box. If you would like to get BoxyCharm, I will leave a link down below. It's just the refer a friend link, because obviously I do not have any association with BoxyCharm. I don't even know that they know that I make these videos. So when we open it up, things are thrown at us, and that is what I see. So let me move this out of the way. I don't have very much space right now, so like I'm kind of working off of little tiny tables here. Kind of stinks. All right, so it is Breaking the Ice is the theme. So pretty. And on the back you have your products. You guys, I'm so excited. I was supposed to get both boxes today, so I'm sure I get the regular box tomorrow. And choice was today also, so make sure that if you didn't do your choice, well, if you were premium or luxe, you got to choose yesterday. But if not, you got to choose today. And I was hearing that they were having a little bit of problems with it, so just check on that. By the time I upload this video, it will most likely be fixed because this won't be going up till tonight. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm super excited, and we're going to start off with a great brand, which is Tula Skincare. I love Tula. I discovered this brand when I worked at QVC, and they sold it there, and I absolutely loved their day cream, and I think it was night cream. I think I had day and night cream. All right, so this is Tula Skincare Keep It Clear Acne Foam Cleanser. Okay, so this might actually go to my son. I don't know. We'll see. He's got midterms coming up and he's not doing great in school, so we'll see if I give this to him or not. But this is awesome. This effective yet gentle foam cleanser is where clear skin begins. Excuse me. 2% salicylic acid provides major acne clearing power, while superfood licorice helps brighten the look of past blemish marks. Alcohol and fragrance free, this cleanser treats regular or occasional breakouts, leaving the skin looking soft and glowing, and it is valued at $34. Packaging is on point, very on point. Love it. I don't know. I mean, I might just use it just for me. I don't know. We'll see. I don't really have a lot of problems. I'm blessed when it comes to breakouts. Wow, packaging is amazing. I do have some, so maybe we'll share this. But when I get them, it's only like 1 or 2. I know, hate me, I'm sorry. I don't know how I got blessed with clear skin, but obviously, well, I didn't get, okay, let me rephrase that, because I don't have clear skin. I have dark spots and stuff in my forehead, and I was told that's from birth control. I don't know if that's true, but it stinks. Anyhow, we're going off subject here. I'm just so excited. My brain's going in all different directions. So this is it's an acne foam cleanser, as I said. Apply 1 to 2 pumps, massage on the skin, and rinse with warm water. Use daily, AM and PM. So that's pretty cool. And having salicylic acid in it, that's to help with the breakouts. That's really awesome. All right, so great start. Let's get in. Oh, I just seen what I'm getting. I'm so happy. Oh, I'm so happy. As I'm hugging the foam, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. You guys, you don't, if you've been with me for a little while, you'll see where there's certain things that like just get me super excited. And I have a lot of people that are like, oh, it's so nice to see you so happy. I think I'm such a dork when I get happy. Like, I'm hugging a foam. Like, come on. But anyway, all right. So I'm going to go ahead and just spoil it on what I'm so happy about. Normally I save these till last, but I'm not saving it. So this is what I wanted. You had a choice to get this or a face palette, and it is the Too Faced Palm Springs Dreams palette. Yay, I'm so excited. I love Too Faced products. I know they're not the best company. I know they, said some things, but this is about the product, as Nady says about the product. So anything you have to, what's he say? Anything negative you have to say? I don't know. I forget. Of course, being put on the spot, you don't remember. Leave it in the comments below, because I know you guys watch and eat too. So here it is. It's super cute. And let's go ahead and read it. Oh, it's the top of the list. Okay. Too Faced Cosmetics Palm Springs Dream Cocktail Party Eyeshadow Palette. Make it a girl's trip to remember with this Palm Springs Dreams inspired palette of fresh cocktail colors and dazzling party ready finishes. Extreme color payoff in one swipe formula, valued at $45. I'm so happy to get this and not the face palette, because honestly, I have a lot of face palettes, and oh, and it even has your little card. I have a lot of face palettes, plus I just ordered from Boxy Pop-Up the Tarte Pro palette, so the Pro face palette, whatever it is. So you get a little card that shows you how to use it on, certain looks. Wow, that blue look is stunning. I like that. Oh, wow. So is that. They're all pretty. They always are. And you got to be really good to get that look down. All right. So even cuter in person. Nice and glittery. Adorable. And 2 little hearts on there. That's so cute. I don't know if you can see that. Or is it peaches? That's peaches. They're not hearts. They're peaches. Duh. All right. And then when you open it up. Oh, it's so pretty. Mirror is awesome. You can't bend it back, so I'm going to show you like that. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty, you guys. So we're going to go ahead and do some swatches real quick. All right, I know. And I shouldn't be playing around, because I really got to get to work, and I shouldn't be playing around. All right, so we're swatching this though. So Cabana Time, oh, it's so soft, as Too Faced normally is. I've heard really good things about this palette too. Saucy and Bossy, TFTI, they are so soft, you guys. And BYOB, there's your colors. The pigment is always amazing with Too Faced. I absolutely love the ginger palette that I got for Christmas. I was upset that it went on sale, and also went to TJ Maxx for like $20. Like right after I bought it, like seriously right after I bought it. I think the day after or 2 days after. I had bought it for full price. Now granted, I used points from Ulta, which I think I got like $8 off, but it went to like, I don't know, $35 or $34 or something like that the next day. I was so mad. Rum Tiki, Swizzle Stick, Last Call, and She's Lit. This is like such a cute palette. Everyday looks on it. How did I get that there? Okay, I don't know. This is me. This is my life. definitely one swipe swatch worthy for sure. But like I said, all of their tin formulas pretty much do very well. The Christmas collection wasn't the best, but all right, I am rambling. Dirty Martini. See, today would be a good day to do a get ready with me. I need to do the first one of the, well, it would only be my second, but I am gearing up to do a get ready with me for, 2020 for the first time. Buzzkill, Mocktail, and Swank. All right, there's those. Should I keep going? Yeah, I'm just gonna keep going. That way I can show you. Oh, that's so pretty. Like, some of them I'm not like shocked because I'm so used to Too Faced formula. Like, sometimes you'll see me, like, when I do swatches, I'm like, oh my god, it's so pretty, but I'm just so used to Too Faced formula that it's not shocking me how well they really are. So here are your swatches. So pretty. That's a perfect base for me. Perfect. Look at that. Maybe I'll do a get ready with me with this. Let me know if you want to see a get ready with me with this and make a fool out of myself. All right, enough rambling on for that. This palette probably took about 5 minutes to review and I didn't even put anything on my face, but okay. All right, moving on to the next item is, okay, a Kat Von D item. I did not know this, and I don't watch spoilers for any of my boxes so that I can be kind of surprised. Now, there are a lot of spoilers that you will see. Like, I knew the Palm Springs palette, although I think that was choice, but I didn't get to choose that because I was not off the wait list when that choice came up, FYI. But I don't watch very much spoilers. I do watch Elizabeth Wolf here and there if I'm kind of interested, but then I end up forgetting, so more or less I watch her for, like, to find out when the choice is, when the add-ons are, when the pop-up is, all that good stuff. BoxyCharm is killing it, you guys, killing it. All right, so here is this, and this is Kat Von D Beauty Lolita eyeshadow. Kat Von D's Lolita eyeshadow is a triple milled and insanely pigmented in her signature matte eyeshadow formula. For a soft, seamless blend every time, rock a rosy eye and top it off with a Lolita lip for ultimate monochromatic look. Valued at $19. Now, I don't think I'm going to swatch this. Matter of fact, I know I'm not going to swatch this, so I'm going to be very careful trying to get it out of the box without ripping it, because this will go in a future giveaway. Because I have way too many single eyeshadows, and I don't mess with them. Packaging is cute, and just so I can show you what it looks like without the glare, it's so pretty, you guys. That's a beautiful color. I'm gonna have to look through my collection and see if I have this color, which I probably do. And also, I just watched Porcelain last night do a palette, like all her palettes video. Would that be something that you guys would be interested in seeing for me, showing you all the palettes that I have and going through them? Let me know down in the comments. All right, next item is something I already have, but I'm not mad about it. I will go ahead and put it in a giveaway. Mine, I can see it. Where's it at? I thought I could see it from here. Oh, it's knocked over. Of course I can't. This looks a little bit, like the color looks different. Maybe it's not, I don't know. But this is $1 Billion Brows, and I actually got mine from Marshall's. Let's see. $1 Billion Brows Bestsellers Kit. Transform your brows with these essential brow products. Use a universal brow pencil to sculpt your desired look with the Brow Duo pencil. Highlight the brow bone for an instant lift and define with concealer above the brow. Blend, highlight, and conceal with the smudge brush for a flawless finish, complete with a coat of brow gel for an all-day lasting hold. Valued at $42. I paid probably like $8, maybe $10 at Marshall's for this. I don't know. But I will be putting it aside for a giveaway. Like I said, I already have it. But you have your brow pencil, you have a highlighting and concealing, you have a brush, and as I'm holding it upside down, and you have a clear brow gel. I have not tried it, so I can't attest to it yet. But also, with me doing giveaways, I'm close to my 300 mark, and I have done a giveaway for every, 100, like 100, 200. Now I'm like almost at 300. So don't forget to subscribe if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, because that'll get us closer to the next giveaway. And I have some good stuff that I need to, you know, get out and give away. I'm excited. And of course, I've been saving up. Hopefully one day I'll make it to my 1,000 mark. And when I do, I'm telling you, if I do, I don't want to get ahead of myself. I've got some good stuff saved. I'm excited. All right, so we have 2 items left in our box, and that's good because I should be leaving to go to work right now. And this is from Bliss, and it is Bliss Pore Patrol Mask Deep Detox 4 Clay Souffle Mask. The silky souffle mask aerated with a combination of powerful clays deeply cleanses the skin and minimizes the look of pores without leaving it dry or tight. Valued at $18. Not sure what I'm going to do with this, but I do like Bliss products. I used to get a lot of Bliss products from my Target boxes and stuff. By the way, the Target box is out. If you're interested, you got to go online and get it. This is kind of cool. It's like an aerosol can. I don't know. I probably will give this a try. So I'm not knocking that. And then we have one more item, which is amazing. I am so excited to have this. This and the palette and the whole box is amazing. But this is from Farsali, and I love their products. And this is Liquid Glass Radiance Serum, a hybrid skincare serum that hydrates the skin, leaving a radiant glow with hyaluronic acid to plump and improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It can be used as a hydrating skincare serum or as a radiance boosting primer before makeup. Valued at $54. This stuff is amazing. I love it. I actually have a sample of this. I think it's this one. Pretty sure it's this one that I have a sample. If this was the one that came in the Sephora favorites, this is the one that I have. But it's only a little sample, so I'm glad to have a bigger one. And I do, oh, it's got plastic on it. Duh. I do love this product. And I really, really wanted to get that Trend Mood box because they got a new product from Farsali. So hopefully it's like a powder thing. Hopefully that'll come in one of our boxes. But I put the wrong day down on Trend Mood. I put it down for today that it was coming out, and it was yesterday. I had my alarm set went off at 1 o'clock, 1 Eastern time today for me. So that's what it looks like. You really can't see it. It does have like a clean smell to it, and it rubs. It goes right in. It's so pretty. I love it. Not sticky at all. All right, so let's recap so I can get my butt to work and do some work I don't want to do. So we have the Farsali. We have the Too Faced palette, Palm Spring Dreams, my 2 favorite products. We have the best billion dollar brows. We have Pore Patrol Deep Detox 4 Clay Souffle Mask. That is a mouthful. We have the Tula, amazing. And we have Lolita eyeshadow from Kat Von D. For $35, yeah, I'm happy, excited, super happy. I will value everything together and I'll put it in either the description or on the thumbnail, one or the other. Probably, I don't know. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. Once again, congratulations to Danielle Smith for the giveaway winner. And I will be doing my other BoxyCharm box tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget, you guys, leave me a comment and like or dislike the video. Either way, it helps get me out there some. Thank you, guys. Thank you. BoxyCharm, amazing. Killed it this week, month, whatever. I can't wait to see till tomorrow's. Add-ons were amazing. I'll talk a little bit more about that tomorrow because I got to get to going. So thank you so much, you guys. Have a fantastic day. Bye.